Now, Kingfisher Airlines' two prime assets in Mumbai and Goa will be auctioned today by a consortium of banks to recover their dues from now absconding liquor baron Vijay Mallya. While Kingfisher House in Mumbai will be put under hammer for fourth time after three failed attempts. Kingfisher Villa in Goa is going to be put on sale for the third time. They both have failed to attract buyers because of high reserve prices. This time now, both the houses, the Kingfisher House and the Villa, the reserve price has been lowered by 10%. So now Kingfisher House would be on the block for 103 crore rupees, while the Villa will be on the block for 73 crore rupees. My colleague Virendra Gunawat joining us. So Virendra, any early bidders for both the properties? Because this is crucial that the bank consortium gets buyers this time to ensure they're able to recover some part of 9,000 crore loan that Vijay Mallya had taken.
Devin, surprisingly, there's no bidder yet. Even the third and the fourth time which where the SBI CAP is trying their best to e-auction both the properties. Even earlier, they had house that's a Mumbai-based headquarter of Kingfisher Airlines was first time they e-auction at rupees 150, but now they have brought the price at rupees 103 crore, and still they are waiting that any bidder should come. The second Kingfisher Villa, the earlier price was 85 crore, but now it has gone 10% down. What the sources from the SBI CAP, they have been saying that if that is to be believed, that Vijay Mallya is trying to scare away most of the bidders. Even they try to try to put their application, they put their bid for these both the properties. But how much that is correct or confirmed, that this is still unknown. But overall, even this is the third and the fourth time with the SBI CAP, will make sure that some bidders should come and purchase the property.
Well, of course, there's a hope that there would be more bidders showing up as the day proceeds. Thanks, Virendra, for joining us.